So sequence wall is used when two different operations are to be performed in a sequence. It is a pressure actuated valve which senses a certain change in a pressure from the set value. It then causes the action to take place in a definite predetermined order. It also maintains the requisite minimum pressure in the primary line while the secondary operation occur. Okay, this is the information of a sequence valve. Next is the construction of a sequence valve. So this is the basic construction we show here, sequence valve. And second point is, this is the construction, okay, cross sectional view of sequence valve, and this is a symbolic presentation of a sequence valve. We can use those type of symbols in a pneumatic, hydraulic as well as in pneumatic circuits. So first figure shows normal position, no flow to be, and second figure number B, figure A shows normal position and figure B shows actuated position in that flow to be when pressure is reached. Okay, so this is the construction of sequence valve. A normal position and this is a B actuated position, and this is a symbolic presentation of sequence valve. So we see here sequence valve. Okay, sequence valve is a type of pressure control valve. So this is a construction of sequence valve. Normally position, figure A shows normal position, figure B shows actuated position, and symbol also we show here, symbolic presentation of sequence valve. So next is when the fluid supplied from pump through port P, the fluid flow out via port 1 and perform the first operation, say extension of cylinder 1. By the end of first operation, the pressure increases in the line, hence the conical poppet lift to allow the fluid to flow out through port 2. Thus second operation is done, say extension of second cylinder. Okay, this is the operation of a sequence valve. Okay, thank you all of you. When this point is at this position, that type of wall is open type wall. and this is a symbolic presentation of sequence wall. This is closed type sequence wall. Symbol is present here. Okay, so don't take down. This is open position, and when at the this is a closed type sequence wall symbol. Okay, thank you. So sequence wall. So what is the sequence wall? Sequence wall, it is used when two different operations are to be performed in a sequence. Okay, once again we repeat. Sequence wall, it is used when two different operations are to be